In this video, I will guide you how you can submit your priority service for the sponsor license. You need to pay £500 extra to get this service done. How to do this? So this is the confirmation email which I have received. Your priority service request has been submitted successfully. So how I submit it? Now let me show you this. So this is the sponsor license application. When I click on submit and pay, it asks me for the priority service. Now the priority service says it is not possible to submit a request for priority service at this time. Now this is night time at 10:11 p.m. So that's why the priority service is not available. Priority service is only available in the morning. Let me show you where it mentions. So pre-license priority service guidance. This guidance is provided on gov.uk. When you write sponsor license priority service, look for the guidance and you will get this. How to apply? This explains over here. If you go down, it says processing time. Eligible request for priority service will be considered within 10 working days. The 10 working days considering period begin the working day following the date you paid. For example, I paid today was Monday. It won't be included on that day. The priority service fee and exclude weekends and public holidays. Saturday, Sunday won't be included. For example, if you pay the priority service fee on Monday, the 10 working days will begin on the next working day, Tuesday. Further, the guidance says you have not submitted all mandatory and supplementary documents within 5 working days of paying the priority service fee if you are submitting your application. If you are adding the priority service to an already submitted application, you have not already submitted these documents. You have failed to respond to the request for further information. Further checks are required to assess your case. Sometime when we submit the sponsor license application, they clearly send us an email that your case is not straightforward. So we will decide your case on the standard basis, and that takes longer. Further, it says if the service agreement is not met because you have not submitted all mandatory documents, you have failed to respond, your case raises complex issues. This is the most common reason everyone gets. Your case is complex, and that's why we will not refund your priority service fee. If your consideration is delayed for other reason, normal case working, processing, for example, technical error, you may be eligible for refund for your priority service fee. The outcome of your application will be sent to an authorizing email. Fees is £500. Contact, you can contact them business help desk @homeoffice.gov.uk. This is how you can also phone them 0300 123 4699. Now let me show you how I have done it. So for this, you need to wake up in the morning and then you have to click your login. Once you have done your login in your sponsor license application, then go for the finish incomplete application. Over here, you can see my sponsor license application, date, payment method, action. So if I click priority, then this will give me the option priority service, fees is £500. Then I'll click next. Next question is date, name of the authorizing officer, and position with your organization. Then enter the date on the day when you're submitting this, and then after that click next. Before clicking next, let me show you the time. So the time just now is 9:01. That means that it's 9 a.m. when I'm doing this. If you try to do this later on, it won't work. So I'm doing it in the morning at 9 a.m. Now let's go back and then click next. Once you click next, that will take you to the payment page. But before that, we can read, I'm aware that definition of the small company, I'm aware the fees. I understand that the fees I paid is lower. If it's lower, I won't get that. I understand that the new fees is charged with consideration of the application. So basically, this is just a declaration. I need to take all the responsibility for the fees. Click next. Fees is 0. Obviously, I've paid yesterday. The priority service fees is £500, and then click next. The next page is about the WorldPay, where it's asking for the card number, card details, address, contact details, and then you will click continue. Next is asking me to verify my card. So I'll put the verification code. After that, I'll click confirm. The payment is processing. There you go. Your priority service payment is done. Your original application, and I've also received an email. So that's mean it's done. Date submitted, address, your priority service payment. So that's how you pay for the sponsor license application. Make sure you take a screenshot of this page so you know that you have done it. You have the evidence. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have created all these videos on sponsor license. I have also explained how you can do the accounting yourself using the free agent software. I have also showed how you can do the UK HR software for £3 a month, which is one of the most cheapest one I have found until now. So you can use all these details which I have created on my channel. It's all free. All content is from gov.uk.